Hello everyone, my name is MD Rajul Karim Tarun. I'm excited to present my project on solar system charging points in Gulshan, which is a smart and sustainable energy solution for the future. So, in the very first slide, which is introduction slide, today I will introduce a smart and sustainable project called solar system charging points in Gulshan. This project is focused on creating eco-friendly electric vehicle charging stations powered by solar energy. The location, Gulshan, is a high-demand area with many cars and a strong energy needs. Using solar panels, we can reduce electricity cost and support clean energy. It also helps reduce traffic pollution and encourages the use of electric vehicles. Most importantly, it supports community resilience by ensuring power supply even during load shedding. This is a modern solution for a smart and green city. So this is my second slide, which is task slide. It starts with an initiation phase. If you see the page of task slide, where we consult with key stakeholders like DPDC, Dhaka North City Corporation, and local people. Then we conduct a feasibility and risk assessment, including legal checks and financial studies. Next, we define the project objectives and scope also, like choosing the number of charging points and what devices to support, auto rickshaws, mobiles or laptops. Then we move to planning stage. In this planning stage, we focus on budget planning and decide how much the project will cost. Lastly, we do site selection and infrastructure planning to pick the best locations and install the solar panels. Each task is scheduled clearly with assigned experts like project managers, engineers, and financial analysts. So this is the second page of my task slide. After planning, we move to supplier and vendor selection. We choose trusted solar panel, battery, and equipment suppliers. Then we handle interior design, contract for the station layout. Next, we focus on risk management, preparing plans to handle any delays or financial issues and solving security challenges. And next we move to the execution phase, which is the most longest in this project. For the execution phase, it includes installing solar panels, building charging stations, and connecting the systems. We also add smart monitoring features for real-time updates. Interior design and branding make the station user-friendly and attractive with sign and guidance systems. Then we train staff to help customers and run the station properly. In the execution stage, lastly we do a final safety check and make sure everything meets government rules. This phase ensures the system is fully ready, safe, and easy to use. This is the last stage of the task slide. So to complete the project, we enter the final closing phase. This starts with quality and safety inspections to make sure everything works well and meets safety standards. Next, we do a stakeholder handover where we finalize contracts and share the operational manuals. After that, we focus on marketing and public awareness, which is the most important for any project, the marketing policy. We promote the project through local business and media and also educate users about the benefits and how to use the charging stations, as still Dhaka people isn't the concern about solar system charging stations. Finally, we have the project completion and handover stage. We hold an official launch and review and then hand over the maintenance responsibility to the operators. With these final steps, the solar charging project is ready to serve the Gulshan community successfully. Now I talk about the resource sheet. This is the resource sheet for my project. It includes both work and materials resources needed for the solar charging station. For work resources, we have a wide range of professionals like project managers, engineers, analysts, and consultants. Each person has a specific role and a monthly rate, such as the project manager at 55,250 taka per month and engineers around 40,000 to 50,000 taka. We also include specialists like legal advisors, HR, IT, interior designers, and safety officers to cover all aspects of the project. On the material slide, we have items like solar panels, batteries, and electrical wires. This sheet helps us manage cost, assign tasks properly, and ensure all resources are available in the project timeline. This is the second page of the resource sheet, which continues with more professionals and materials. We have key team members like the electrical engineer, architect, IT manager, and construction workers, each with specific roles and rates. For example, the electrical engineer architect has the highest monthly rate as 60,000 taka. We also have marketing manager to support design and promotion. For materials, we listed essential items like solar panels, batteries, electrical wires, monitors, and charging points. So this is the Gantt chart for my project. The Gantt chart basically shows the full timeline of our project. It includes all key tasks, assigned team members, and their working durations. We can clearly see how different roles like project managers, analysts, and engineers are involved across various stages. The chart helps track progress and avoid overlaps and keep everything on schedule from start to finish. This is the Gantt chart of second page. This part of the Gantt chart highlights the execution and closing stage. And this is the Gantt chart of final page, which shows the closing activities, including documentation, marketing, public awareness, and project handover task. And finally, this is the conclusion for my project slide. In conclusion, this project is a smart step towards using solar power for daily life. It offers clean and affordable and safe charging stations for electrical vehicles and people's devices. From planning to execution, every step was carefully managed, skilled professionals. Most importantly, it helps Dhaka grow into a greener, smarter city with better energy support for the future. Thank you, sir, for your time and attention.